Hello everyone, today we're going to be talking about social media and how to produce six-figure results. My name is Daniel Wilson. I am with Lemax in Orlando, Florida. I built a six-figure real estate business in under 4 years, and I spend less on marketing than most do on coffee in a year. So there's no such thing as social media. I'll start there. Social media is just a word to describe the internet. Everything can be described as social media. Comment on a Google review, that's being social online. In essence, that's social media. If this kind of scares you and all these social media sources scare you, let's focus on just a few. Today I'm going to be focusing on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Google, and possibly touching on a few other tidbits from, say, Yelp and YouTube. So let's get started and dive right in. The first platform, and the most important one, is going to be Instagram. At least it's been for me. You want to create a bio with your contact information and why your clients should choose you instead of your competitor. Make it be known that you're with whatever real estate company. Create content you can easily copy and paste from on your mobile phone, so when you put up a post, you don't have to create new stuff and it doesn't have to bog you down with time. Make sure each post has a location. You can find posts on location. Use hashtags that are relevant. A little bit different now. You kind of only want to use 1 or 2 hashtags versus using 30. Create ads. You can do that through Fiverr. You can do that through your phone. Plenty of apps. Just research which one you like best. I wouldn't use 30 hashtags anymore. That's kind of a little dated. When I put this project together, that was a little bit more relevant. Find out what time your followers are engaging best. And what times are best to post on Instagram. Every platform kind of has its different option there. I use a software like robolike.com. It's 80 likes per hour. I want to say it's like $7 a month to use that. Amazing software. Check it out. Facebook business page. Set aside an hour or 2 each week to schedule some posts, put up some stuff, or even use an automated, very inexpensive content provider to throw those up. Same thing, know when it's best to engage on Facebook. This changes regularly, so could change by the time you're looking at this. Boost the post, use a couple bucks, boost the post, nail down your audience. We can get more in depth on that. Going live on Facebook's a little outdated as well. I think almost everyone has their own TV show on Facebook now, but you can still do it. Wishing your friends a happy birthday through your personal Facebook is important and also personal. I think this probably is still true today and very relevant. Snapchat, I don't use it a whole lot. I did when I put this together, so feel free to look at it just a little bit more, but it's not a platform you want to get rid of. If you still want to go ahead and use it, you can. I used to use filters a lot. I do not use those any longer. So, a little outdated. I think Snapchat is not the best platform to continue marketing on. But as you can see, I used to use those. Moving on, we will get into Yelp rather quickly. Post pictures on Yelp. Have 1,000, 2,000 photos on Yelp, and yeah, it'll help you out quite a bit. Use SEO keywords and such. Ask for reviews on Yelp from organic Yelp users. This will help you quite a bit. Get the Yelp users that are using Yelp or found you off Yelp to go ahead and leave your reviews. Other apps that I use, Google My Business, Camera Plus, it's a phone editing app, Yelp Business, Instagram, yada yada. I'm always available for coaching. My phone number directly is 407-808-9931. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.